In this video, we're looking at basic operations with polynomials. So the first one we're going to look at is adding two polynomials. And a polynomial, remember, is a term that has more than one expression. Poly meaning many, nomial expression, so it's got multiple expressions within the multiple expressions. So we have 2x squared minus 4x plus 7 plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the operation, which is addition for this particular one, to combine these into whatever we can as far as finding like terms. So I'm first going to take 2x squared minus 4x plus 7, and I'm going to remove the parentheses because we don't have any multiplication. And then I'm going to apply this operation to each one of these. So plus 3x squared plus 2x, so that's 2x plus 1. So now I've created an expression where I don't have any parentheses. So I can now go in my expression and I can combine whatever I need. So I've got my like terms, so I've got 2x squared and 3x squared, which is 5x squared. And then I've got negative 4x and 2x, which is negative 2x, 7 and 1, which is 8. So now I'm going to look at this expression and see if there are any other combinations I can do of like terms, and I cannot. So my final answer is going to be 5x squared minus 2x plus 8. And that is how you add two polynomials. Again, you're going to apply the operation to each of the terms in the second polynomial. So conversely, when we come down here and subtract, instead of having the addition, I'm now going to have subtraction. So I've got to apply that operation to each of these. So I'm going to take my expressions here. My first one, just take the parentheses out. And now I'm going to combine. So I have negative, negative, which is plus 3x squared, negative, positive, which gives me negative 4x because the negative is applied to both. And then I've got negative 5, which is negative positive 5, which is negative 5. So my next step is going to be look and see what I can combine. So I'll go straight to the purple. I've got 3x cubed. I don't have any other x cubed terms, so I've got 3x cubed. Then I've got negative 2x squared and positive 3x squared, which is x squared. So I can do those. And then I have negative 4x, which is the only x term I have. And then I have 7 minus 5, which is 2. So I've now combined all of my like terms, so this is the simplification of my expression. Now, an important thing to point out again is that when we're adding and subtracting like terms in both of these examples, we do not change the exponents. The exponents only change when we're using multiplication and division. So, for example, here, 2x squared plus 3x squared is not 5x to the fourth. It's actually 5x squared. We don't change the exponent. We just have the like terms and we combine. Same here with negative 4x and positive 2x. That does not give me negative 2x squared. It's negative 2x. I have negative 4x's and positive 2x's. Same thing down here. We've got negative 2x squared and positive 3x squared. That does not give me negative 6x to the fourth. It simply gives me x squared. So that is how we actually add and subtract polynomials.